Transform your cleaning routine with the Roborock Q8 Max, the ultimate robot vacuum and mop cleaner that takes home cleaning to the next level. Stick with us for a closer look at why this device is perfect for pet owners and multi-level homes. Let's start with its incredible cleaning power. The DuoRoller Brush design makes removing pet hair a breeze, increasing hair pickup by 20% while preventing tangles. Whether it's deep cleaning carpets or hard floors, this vacuum is built to handle it all with ease. Combine that with an impressive 5,500 PA HyperForce suction, and even the tiniest dust and dirt are no match for the Roborock Q8 Max. But wait, there's more. This robot doesn't just vacuum, it vacuums and mops simultaneously. Its 30 adjustable water flow levels let you customize the mop to handle anything from delicate surfaces to stubborn grime. Whether you're refreshing tiles or tackling tough spills, this vacuum ensures your floors are spotless every time. Plus, its detachable design lets you easily switch between vacuuming, mopping, or both. And the best part? Cleaning is completely hassle-free. Thanks to its obstacle avoidance technology, it even suggests no-go zones, so you can keep it away from stairs or tricky areas. Now let's talk about efficiency. With PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, this smart robot maps your home in meticulous detail and selects the most effective cleaning routes. The quick mapping feature speeds up the process, mapping your space up to 6 times faster, perfect for busy households. Here's where it gets even cooler. The Roborock Q8 Max features 3D and multi-level mapping. It can recognize up to 4 different floors, making it perfect for multi-story homes. You can even add furniture and floor materials to the map in the app for a completely customized cleaning experience. Control has never been easier. The Roborock Q8 Max works with app controls, voice commands, or simple button controls. Schedule cleanings, adjust the water flow, set no-go zones, or check which floor it's cleaning, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Let's face it, life gets messy, but the Roborock Q8 Max makes keeping your home clean effortless. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, everyday dust, or unexpected spills, this vacuum and mop combo has you covered. Ready to elevate your cleaning game? Click the link below to bring home the Roborock Q8 Max today and experience the perfect blend of power, intelligence, and convenience. Your floors will thank you.